He was holding in his hand the book of Adolf Hitler, Yimach Shemo, Mankind, translated to Hebrew. And he started to read from the book why Hitler hated Jews. You're not gonna believe it. What is the main reason he hated the Jews and decided that they must die? Who knows what's the reason? Huh?
Because when he was a kid, people, the Jews used to call him his bastard.
No, it's not written in his book. It's not written in his book, or at least I didn't hear that it's written in his book. I never read it, but according to what he was reading from his book.
I think that he didn't respect the fact that they didn't follow what they were supposed to follow.
No, you're very close.
Something like that. I don't remember.
He wrote in his book, the Jews are the biggest threat. Why? Because they are communists. They are anti-God. They are the enemies of God. Well, the Jews that he knew, most of them, that's what they were. And he started to describe how they made the revolution in Russia. And he started to give proofs that the Jews are a big danger to Germany. Bolsheviks, they are the biggest threat to Germany. If we don't kill them now, they'll kill us all. They'll do to us what they did in Russia. That's what he wrote in his book. I never knew it until a few days ago.